Welcome back. So this is the next couple steps, and there's a couple steps in here. One was assembling this bearing, and I think they changed these 90-degree blocks at some time because they using the M4 washers, they can go right through that block. I had some M5 washers and I used those. I also used a shorter screw. I used a 25 millimeter. Now the M5 washers are a little bit thicker. We'll see how that holds up. The threads just come to the edge of the nut. It was kind of a pain in the neck to put that together. It seems so simple, a little tiny part like that, but it was a pain in the neck. Once you have it up like this, so you can align all your parts. So like when I've installed the motor mount, I had no idea where to install it. So, move it over here, get it about right. And then same with this pulley in the front. After you have it on there, rotate it to the front and get it about right. There's a lot of space on that. I could actually move that pulley up a millimeter or so, but for right now it's good. This was much easier to hook up to the belt on the back of the other carriage. That was a pain in the neck. This one was no big deal. I used two zip ties on each one because there's space. I figured I might as well use two. So next step will be going to the attaching couplings, getting ready for the EX carriage to be attached. So let's work on that. Okay, so now it's really starting to look like a 3D printer. Probably should zip tie these wires up, but I'm about ready to start going the electronic steps, so it is what it is for right now. Had to attach these two blocks in the bottom. I'm removing one of the set screws on each tower here. In the pictures they show a different type of screw, a better type of screw. This just included pan head screws, which I probably will swap out over time. Threaded rod goes up, motor mount into the coupler, the Z coupler here, and what else is there to it? In order to get everything lined up, I had to remove the bottom screw on both sides so I can lift it up high enough in order to get everything to line up. Looking at it now that it's up here, it looks like I probably can add a belt tensioner that attaches right off the side here, just to push down on the belt. Looks like I can do it, especially on this side here because I have so much extra dead space in the bracket that I should be able to push down here and then suck up some of the slack. We'll see. Right now I'm just trying to get it to work. I think there's not much else to this step. It was pretty painless. Yeah, you can test. I do plan on swapping this out sooner or later, and I have a whole design in my head for the upper half here, but it works. I don't know how I'm supposed to set them up or start them. I guess I'll find that out when I get to the next couple steps. I'm going to break this section here. It'll be a shorter video because the next starts electronics, which is entirely different. Let me see if I'm still square on the frame. Fairly close. I mean, so I'm gonna go with fairly close. I might be a tiny bit off, and maybe I can straighten it out. Like a thousandths of an inch type distance there, maybe. So if I bring it over a little bit, I can rack it by loosening these up and bringing it over. But we'll see. So I'm going to break it here. We'll do power electronic stuff next. So until next time, thanks for watching.